Welcome back. Today, we're diving into an updated method for recovering deleted YouTube videos in 2025. Let's get started. First, let's understand why videos may be deleted. Common reasons include copyright issues, violation of community guidelines, or accidental deletion. YouTube has specific policies regarding deleted videos. Familiarizing yourself with these can help in recovery efforts. Now, let's check YouTube's deleted videos folder. This is your first step in trying to recover your content. Next, head to the YouTube Creator Studio. Here, you might find options to help recover deleted videos. If all else fails, consider third-party tools designed for video recovery. Make sure to choose reliable options to protect your data. Don't forget about backups. If you've archived your videos elsewhere, restoring from these is a reliable option. To prevent accidental deletions in the future, make sure to implement some key strategies. Here are some tips. In conclusion, recovering deleted YouTube videos can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Good luck! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on YouTube.